You're welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to be talking about the different types of research or the topology of research. Yeah, and this is business research skills or research methods. Yeah, we are going to look at the different types of research. And number one, we shall start with descriptive and analytical research. We shall start with descriptive and then analytical research. Descriptive research, it comes from the word describe. As you can hear, descriptive from the word describe. Yeah, it's mainly used to describe the state of affair as it exists at present. The way things are. Yeah, that's what we call descriptive research. It's used to describe the state of affairs as it exists at present. It includes things like surveys and fact-finding inquiries of different kinds. E.g., describing the performance of a new product in the market. The performance of a new product in the market, like at present, like right now. So it explains things as they exist. Yeah. It looks at frequency of occurrence, level of preference of people, and other descriptive measures like average, mode, etc. Yeah, so that is all about descriptive research. It is used to describe the state of affairs as it exists. Yeah. Then analytical research. Analytical research comes from the word analysis or analytics, something like that. Yeah. So it's all about analyzing, and you cannot analyze things that don't exist. So you analyze things that already exist. Yeah. So analytical research, this is done from already existing facts or information already available, like literature and publications. You analyze things, you get a newspaper and you start analyzing what was written. Yeah, so that you can get the information that you want from it. Analytical research, it's done from already existing facts or information already available, like literature and publications. It goes beyond describing to analyzing and explaining why and how something happened, and goes ahead to measure causal relationship among variables. It goes beyond analyzing and explaining why and how something happened, and goes ahead to measure causal relationship among variables. We said we have two variables, the independent and then the dependent variables. Analytical research, it looks at establishing and coming up with reasons why some things are happening the way they are. Yeah, you want to find out why are things like this. Like sometimes it might be it's based maybe on something that happened in the past. Yeah. So you might want to find out. And that's what we call analytical research. You based on the information that is already existing, you go through it, you analyze it so that you can come up with the answer to your question. Yeah, it looks at establishing or coming up with reasons why some things are happening the way they are. Yeah, so that is it. Descriptive research, it describes a state of affair as it exists at present. Then analytical, it's done from existing facts or information already available, like literature and publications. Then we have applied research or action research, and then we have fundamental or pure or basic research. Yeah. Applied research, applied application, something like that. Applied or action research, it aims at finding a solution for a particular or specific problem facing the society, individual, or organization, or an industry. So applied research, it's about finding a solution to a specific or a particular problem that is being faced maybe in a particular society by someone, maybe a friend, yeah, by an industry or an organization. An example is finding a remedy for a decrease on the general profit level of a company. You maybe find out that the general profits of the company have reduced, so you will have to find a solution to that particular problem, and that's what we call applied or action research. Then we have fundamental or pure or basic research. This is concerned with generalization or formulation of policies. Fundamental, pure or basic. It's about coming up with a policy. A policy is something like a rule. Yeah. It's concerned with generalization or formulation of policies, e.g., human behavior, like the consumption behavior of a given product in a given area, leading to pricing policy. Yeah, it aims at finding extra information to the already existing one in order to add knowledge. So this one, it's finding extra information to the already existing information in order for you to add knowledge. Applied research, it's about finding a solution to a particular problem being faced by a society, an industry, individual, organization. Yeah. Then we go to another category. We have quantitative and qualitative research. Yeah, quantitative, as you hear quantitative, it comes from the word quantity. It's based on measuring quantities or amounts. It's applicable to variables that can be expressed in numeric form. Numeric form, it's figures. Yeah, it deals with numeric data and statistical tests such as mean, mode, percentages, variance. It is an objective approach to research. Objective approach, like it's not based on someone's opinion. It's based on data, on findings. Yeah. So quantitative research, it's based on measuring quantities or amount. It's based on quantity. Yeah, and it's applicable to variables that can be expressed in numeric form, figures. Yeah, and here we have things like mean, mode, percentages, variance, and other things. And it's an objective approach. Then qualitative research. Qualitative research is the opposite of quantitative research. So this one deals with numeric things. This one deals with non-numeric data or phenomena that cannot be expressed in quantities, such as quality or kind, e.g., human behavior, emotions, attitude, motive, desires. You cannot express someone's desires using a percentage, someone's emotions using a percentage, someone's attitude using a percentage. Yeah, so those things that they always tell you, Simanya, I love you 100%, it's a lie. Because love is qualitative, it's not quantitative, it cannot be measured by a percentage. Yeah. So it deals with non-numeric data. Yeah, and it uses methods such as in-depth interviews, word association tests. It's subjective in nature, it's based on someone's opinion, what someone thinks about you, what someone feels about you. That's qualitative research. You try to research. Like, is this person into me or not? That is qualitative, it's subjective, it's based on someone's opinion. But quantitative, it's not based on someone's opinion, it's based on the findings, it's based on data. Yeah. Then we have conceptual research and then empirical research. Conceptual research, this one deals with abstract ideas or theories. Abstract ideas or theories mainly used by philosophers and thinkers to develop new concepts or to interpret the already existing concepts or theories. So this one is the one that is done by philosophers, like people who want to find out things. People like John Keynes. Yeah. It deals with abstract ideas or theories, and it's mainly used by philosophers and thinkers to develop new concepts or interpret the already existing concepts or theories. Isaac Newton, people like that. Yeah. Then empirical research, it relies on experience or observations alone without considering systems or theories in place. Yeah. Empirical, it relies on experience or observations. Like I have ever done this thing in the past, so I'll not do it again. You're relying on your experience. So I had a friend, he did this and that, so I'll either do it or not do it according to someone's experience. So it relies on experience and observations alone without considering systems or theories in place. It's based on first-hand information. It's a data-based research to come up with conclusions verified by an observation or experiment. So that is empirical research and conceptual research. Conceptual research is based on theories. It deals with abstract ideas or theories. Empirical, it's based on experience and observations. Yeah. Then other types of research. There are very many types of research, but those were the main eight. We had the conceptual and then empirical. We had the qualitative and quantitative research. We had applied research or action, then fundamental or pure or basic research. Then we had descriptive and analytical research. Yeah, but the other types of research, these types looked at can vary, hence in regard to time, purpose, or environment. Yeah, so there can be other types of research regarding to time, purpose, or the environment. And this raises into other types such as purpose, explanatory research, descriptive research, predictive, correlational, etc. Yeah, so those were the major 8 types of research. Yeah, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share with your friends, and watch my next video. We shall be continuing with business research skills or research methods.